The story of the Iron Horse is very familiar. However, there is another, almost forgotten railroad saga to be told. 100 years ago, there were literally thousands of miles of railroads that were practically invisible to most people in the country. Some folks may have heard about them, but they certainly never saw them. These were the secret railroads of North America. To discover this lost world of mysterious steam railroading, you had to journey deep into America's forests. There, hidden in the mountains, were endless miles of rough and tumble logging railroads. These railroads were put together in a hurry and only meant to last a season or two. The track work was usually far too rugged and too steep for any mainline locomotive. To survive this harsh environment, these operations demanded a special kind of steam engine, powerful, adaptable, and somewhat forgiving of the uneven track. These were the geared steam locomotives, the wild iron horse of North America. Fortunately, this breed of steam engine is kept alive in little-known places across the United States and Canada. Hidden in the mountains, there can be found teams of steam wizards who conjure up life from what would otherwise be just cold, rusty iron. Come with us as Golden Rail Videos Steam Up in the Mountains explores a secret mountain hideaway where the voice of the wild iron horse still echoes off the tall pines, just as it did 100 years ago. Here in Washington State's logging country, we'll meet a group of these steam wizards who devote their whole lives to this quirky machinery. Steam Up features rare action footage of the major logging locomotive designs. There were once 3 different types of geared steam engines, all competing for a market share of this lost world of railroading. Discover firsthand some of the strengths and weaknesses behind each design.
Shay is a nice machine, but the Heisler is more engineered.
Uncover the challenges that faced the old mountain railroaders at every turn.
There's a shovel in there. Get it out. We're going to need it. Down here and start shoveling rock on the track.
Steam Up in the Mountains ends with an incredible display of steam power when 5 different locomotives are corralled to pull one train, a spectacular, not-to-be-missed quintuple header. Discover the lost world of steam railroading in Golden Rail Videos Steam Up in the Mountains, where the iron horse disappeared into the woods.